Hi trailers. In this video I'll be showing you how to use this Excel built-in Pomodoro timer to time yourself and also plan with AI. And let's get right into the video. The first thing you need to do is just to go over this session tab and put in the amount of session you want to make use of in an hour or as you want to use it. So let's put in one session of focus time. Let's say 1 minute of focus time and then 1 minute of rest. Once you put in this metrics into the timer, you can start the timer and it starts counting backwards 1 minute because we set focus for 1 minute. So we just wait for a minute. It's going to time itself backwards to 0. And after that, it will now start the rest period of 1 minute also. And after that, it does only one session. If you want more than one session, you can change it here to 2, 4, 5 sessions. Basically, you can also pause and resume the timer. Why this is counting before it gets to 0, let's show you other features about this Excel Pomodoro timer. The next feature we have is the AI planner. For AI planner, we just put in what you're focusing for. It could be anything. It could just be that you want to plan something. It could be that you want to read for an exam. How long you're focusing. Yeah, you have 60 days. We have 4 hours duration. And the materials you have, what just you can also type in anything you want here. Basically, the AI understands it. Before we click this planning, let's go back to the timer. As you can see, it's counting to 0 and it makes the sound once it gets to 0. And as you can see, it's now into the rest phase. Now you can actually rest, reset yourself, right? And yeah, let's go back to the AI planner. So I'm going to click plan now, but before I click on plan, I'm going to show you how this is linked to AI. Basically, we have a coding here that gives you the access to the AI feature. I'm going to give this out for free now. Buy me a coffee link, click up here. Value in comment section also. Now you're going to just go over to the module 2 here and put in your Gemini API key. At this point, right? Just put it there. So I don't show my full API key here. If you want to know more about creating your own chatbot or AI feature on Excel, you can also click on this video we have up here. And if you don't have an API key, very simple. It's actually free of charge on Gemini website, so you can also get it in the video right up here. Good and fine. So once you put that in, yeah, our timer is done here. You can see it's done. One session is done already. So you can put in as much session as you want. You can put in 10, 20 sessions. You can put in 1 hour per session. You can put in 10 hours per session. Anything you want, you can actually do it there. So let me click on plan, and it's kind of is running the AI currently to try and plan for this particular focus you're trying to do. And then it takes like some seconds, like 10 seconds for it to run. So I'll probably just skip this part of the video to when you see the result. Now this is the result here. It's done planning, plan for all the topic able to focus on per each session for your reading, duration per each one. Let's say just 4 hours, 3 hours, summary of what you're doing. Yeah, I mean, this is enough for you to focus, even though it's not everything you need. I mean, you need to also know what you're planning for, right? But the more you feed information to the AI, the more it gives you a perfect planning schedule. And if you follow this, I don't lie to you, actually get far in your study or focus time all the way down. It even add a rest period for your reading. Very nice. The last feature about this Pomodoro timer in Excel is the progress bar. It shows you your progress for every session you do. So right now, all the way to, and shows you that this particular day you did all the way 2 minutes, right? And that time again, as you keep on using it, keep on seeing bigger and higher graphs going all the way, right? So it just helps you like see your progress. And I mean, you also try to break your last day's streak basically to get it higher and higher, right? And the green is for work, this is for rest, right? So I mean, you can try and balance it out, but all work cannot play makes you have to double. So rest and play makes you perfect planning and study. So hope this video helps you. If you want more of this, you can check my video for more interesting content like this, how to make Excel work for you in different ways. And you also check my buy me coffee link. It contains so many free tools and also the ones that you have to pay for, right? Because just way of encouraging. So thank you.